Hey eBay, today I'm showing you a Toshiba M660 HiFi stereo VCR. Let's go ahead, turn it on here. This VCR has some unique physical features that I don't see on very many. For one, it has this series of power lights, kind of look like a tail light on certain cars. And then it also has the word Toshiba, the brand name, kind of, set into the top there. Yeah, that's pretty unique case design. So we'll go ahead and pop in a tape here. Turn on the sound. There we go. Now, you may notice the timer on the screen. That is, even though this is, first of all, this is a really good model of VCR. It's late model, I think mid-90s. Stereo, forehead, all that good stuff. It works great, but it has this fatal flaw, which is, it's not really a flaw if you have the remote, but otherwise it kind of is, because the only way to get that off there, which is on by default when you plug it in fresh, is to press the, let's see, where is it? This little display button right here. On an original remote, almost any universal remote will not have that button. You press it once, it gets rid of the right side. You press it again, it gets rid of both. And then we can go back and play the tape without it. So, great VCR, but unless you want to be staring at the counter the whole time, which is on by default for some reason, those 90s Toshiba engineers thought it would be a good idea, you're going to want to have the original remote with one of these. That is, and it's, the worst thing is that's not unique to this model. I've seen other Toshibas do that as well. So, but otherwise you can see that it is working good. It is mainly in good physical condition. It does have this one spot right here. It's like the corner got scraped up on something and the paint chipped off. But otherwise, it seems to be in really good condition. It includes the unit itself. The power cord is built in. A brand new set of RCA cables and the original remote. And I think that's it. Thanks for looking, guys.